Work from home jobs that don't require any experience? I got you covered. The first company you can explore is Transcom. They currently have remote job openings for customer service advisors and technical support advisors. For these positions, you must live in one of the following states. You'll also need a high school diploma or GED, the ability to pass a criminal background check. This is a full-time position that requires a variety of shifts, including evenings, weekends, and holidays. You should have excellent communication skills, excellent computer skills with the ability to type 30 words per minute, and while no experience is needed for this role, previous call center experience is preferred. In this position, you'll earn $17.31 per hour. You'll also receive benefits, and they do provide your computer equipment. Transcom gets a 3.4 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The second company to explore is Inbox Done. They hire inbox managers to help clients with email management, calendar scheduling, executive assistance, customer service, social media, data entry, and research. No experience is needed for these positions. However, they are looking for applicants that have high levels of empathy and emotional intelligence, a high level of interpersonal skills, both via text and video format, and you'll also need excellent communication skills. The starting pay rate for these part-time independent contracting positions is $17 per hour, and they also offer paid holidays and unlimited retention and upgrade bonuses. Inbox Done gets a 4.9 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The third company to explore is FoundEver, and they are hiring a work-at-home Intuit customer service representative. For this remote position, you must be based in one of the following locations. You must also have excellent communication skills. You must be a problem solver. You'll need a high school diploma or GED, and you'll also need to complete a criminal background check. The starting pay rate for this position is $15 per hour, and it does come with benefits. FoundEver gets a 3.6 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fourth company that you can explore is DataVio, and they are hiring a US-based search side-by-side evaluator. In this freelance position, you'll be tasked with completing side-by-side evaluation of 2 different search engine results. For this position, you need to be a permanent resident of the United States. You should be a native or fluent English speaker. You'll need to have access to stable internet connection and a computer. You should be familiar with search engines and their usage, and you'll need to commit to at least 10 to 15 hours per week. You'll also need a high school diploma or GED and an analytical mindset. The pay rate for this position is 60 cents per judgment, with the expected time per judgment being 2 minutes. DataVio gets a 3-star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fifth and final company to explore is Conduent, and they are hiring a full-time remote data entry associate. For this position, you must have the ability to type 45 words per minute. You'll need a high school diploma or GED. You must be eligible to work in the United States and the ability to pass a criminal background check and drug screen. The starting pay rate for this position is $14 per hour plus benefit. Conduent gets a 3.2 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. For more work from home jobs that don't require any experience, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.